I'm now going to generate 2D drawings directly off our 3D model, and this will include our battered sloping views, so Multisteel will actually generate true two-dimensional views, general arrangements of our battered sides. And to do this we use the Multisteel 3D menu. I've dragged it from down here up into the screen here. We're going to use this command called Model Manager. This basically brings up a dialog box a little bit similar to Set View in that it shows us all of our levels, all of our views in fact that have been created. This shows us all of the views that have been created. So here, these are our various levels, these are our grid lines, and we have our sloping views as well. And what I'm going to do is generate 2D drawings for my base level, which is actually 89,000, or minus 89,000 rather, and for two of my sloping side views, battered views, I'll take row 1 and row A, and we'll say section model, and Multisteel will now generate its two-dimensional drawings automatically for us, and we can change the names of those drawings as they're generated. You can see it actually generating the drawing there. And it's going to do the same for my battered sloping sides. So it's just generating its 2D information for us there. What we'll do is open up those drawings and see what Multisteel has generated. This is one of the 2D drawings that's been generated. This is our base steel work. This is at elevation minus 89 meters. We're just going to concentrate on one of these connections just to show Multisteel's capability in sorting out and editing connections, coping back steel work on the 2D drawing. We're going to cope back these two members into this edge member, and we're going to use the Multisteel coping commands. This time we just go straight into 2D. We have to do them one at a time. We just select the first member, hit return, and then we're coping into these two members. Hit return, and Multisteel will work out the connection. So there's the first member detailed. We just hit return to repeat the command, select the member to cope back, and then select the other two members. And Multisteel will sort out that connection as well. So there we are. There's obviously a little bit of tidying up to do here, but Multisteel actually has a special command for doing that. It's called Clean 2D Pipes. We just put a window around the connection, and Multisteel will trim back all of the unnecessary detail. We just switch off our stick lines, stick 2D, and then there's our completed detail, which is geometrically spot on for that type of tubular connection. Just put our stick lines back on again. All the labelling obviously is automatic. We can just select these members. Multisteel will label them up. So there's our 1200. And there's our 1200 there. Grid lines are actually inserted on these layouts as well automatically, and they're automatically dimensioned too. Similarly, if we need material list information, say we want a quick assessment of the material in that drawing, we can say go straight to material summary, window the steel, and we'll get a breakdown, cutting list, and we can add that onto the drawing as well. And there's our material list and our total weight of steel. This is the 2D drawing generated off the 3D model for the sloping sides of the structure, and as you can see we've cut back the intersection here, and we can also clean that using the clean pipe command very easily. So we can tidy up these general arrangement drawings without any trouble at all.